In this video, I will show you how to connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz. To connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network instead of 2.4 GHz, ensure your router broadcasts both frequencies and your device supports 5 GHz. Then, select the 5 GHz network SSID from your device Wi-Fi list. So you can find that into this section. Now, if you want your laptop to automatically do that in the future, what you can do is to go ahead and head over into the device manager. Click on device manager and this will pop up on your screen. Now, under device manager, go ahead and look for network adapters. So under the network adapters, you'll be able to find the settings for Wi-Fi connection. So in here, you just need to set this up to automatically connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of the 2.4 GHz connection. And that is how you can basically connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Keep updated with our latest videos.